Welcome to TechSync. Here are the top 9 new technology trends for 2022. Technology today is evolving at a rapid pace, enabling faster change and progress, causing an acceleration of the rate of change. However, it is not only the technology trends and emerging technologies that are evolving. A lot more has changed this year due to the outbreak of COVID-19, making IT professionals realize that their role will not stay the same in the contactless world tomorrow. And an IT professional in 2022 will constantly be learning, unlearning and relearning out of necessity if not desire. What does this mean for you? It means staying current with emerging technologies and latest technology trends. And it means keeping your eyes on the future to know which skills you will need to know to secure a safe job tomorrow and even learn how to get there. All post the worldwide pandemic, most of the global IT population is sitting back working from home. And if you wish to make the most of your time at home, here are the top 9 emerging technology trends you should watch for and make an attempt at in 2022 and possibly secure one of the jobs that will be created by these new technology trends. That includes artificial intelligence and machine learning, robotic process automation, edge computing, quantum computing, virtual reality and augmented reality, blockchain, Internet of Things, 5G, and cybersecurity. Now let's get started with artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI has already received a lot of buzz in the past decade, but it continues to be one of the new technology trends because of its notable effects on how we live, work and play are only in the early stages. AI is already known for its superiority in image and speech recognition, navigation apps, smartphone personal assistants, ride-sharing apps, and so much more. Machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence is also being deployed in all kinds of industries, creating huge demand for skilled professionals. Forrester predicts AI, machine learning, and automation will create 9% of new US jobs by 2025, jobs including robot monitoring professionals, data scientists, automation specialists, and content curators, making it another new technology trend you must keep in mind too. Mastering AI and machine learning will help you secure jobs like AI research scientist, AI engineer, machine learning engineer, AI architect. Now, second one, robotic process automation. Like AI and machine learning, robotic process automation or RPA is another technology that is automating jobs. RPA is the use of software to automate business processes such as interpreting applications, processing transactions, dealing with data, and even replying to emails. RPA automates repetitive tasks that people used to do. For an IT professional looking to the future and trying to understand latest technology trends, RPA offers plenty of career opportunities including developer, project manager, business analyst, solution architect and consultant. And these jobs pay well. An RPA developer can earn up to rupees 534k per year, making it the next technology trend you must keep a watch on. Mastering RPA will help you secure high-paying jobs like RPA developer, RPA analyst, RPA architect and all. Now, edge computing. Formerly a new technology trend to watch. Cloud computing has become mainstream with major players AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform dominating the market. The adoption of cloud computing is still growing as more and more business migrate to a cloud solution. But it's no longer the emerging technology trend, but edges. Edge computing will increase as use of Internet of Things or what we call as the IoT devices increases. By 2022, the global edge computing market is expected to reach $6.72 billion, and this new technology trend is only meant to grow and nothing less, creating various jobs primarily for software engineers. Keeping in line with cloud computing, including new age, edge and quantum computing will help you grab amazing jobs like cloud reality engineer, cloud infrastructure engineer, cloud architect and security architect and all. Now, next one we are dealing with is the quantum computing. The next remarkable technology is quantum computing, which is a form of computing that takes advantage of quantum phenomena like superposition and quantum entanglement. This amazing technology trend is also involved in preventing the spread of the coronavirus and to develop potential vaccines thanks to its ability to easily query, monitor, analyze, and act on data regardless of the source. Another field where quantum computing is finding applications is banking and finance to manage credit risk for high-frequency trading and fraud detection. Quantum computers are now a multitude times faster than regular computers, and huge brands like Honeywell, Microsoft, AWS, Google, and many others are now involved in making innovations in the field of quantum computing. Now, virtual reality versus augmented reality. The next exceptional technology trend, virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, and extended reality, ER. Virtual reality immerses the user in an environment while AR enhances their environment. Although this technology trend has primarily been used for gaming thus far, it has also been used for training, as with Virtual Ship, a simulation software used to train US Army, Navy, and Coast Guard ship captains. In 2022, we can expect these forms of technologies being further integrated into our lives, usually working in tandem with some of the other emerging technologies we have mentioned in the list. Artificial intelligence, AR and VR have enormous potential in training, entertainment, education, marketing, and even rehabilitation after injury. Either could be used to train doctors to do surgery, offer museum goers a deeper experience, enhance theme parks, or even enhance marketing, as with this Pepsi Max Best Shelter. Now, blockchain. Although most people think of blockchain technology in relation to cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, blockchain offers security that is useful in many other ways. In the simplest of terms, blockchain can be described as the data you can only add to, not take away from, or change. Hence, the term chain, because you are making a chain of data, not being able to change the previous blocks, is what makes it so secure. In addition, blockchains are the consensus driven, so no one entity can take control of the data. With blockchain, you don't need a trusted third party to oversee or validate transactions. Mastering blockchain can help you scale up in a variety of fields and industries like risk analyst, tech architect, crypto community manager, front-end engineer, and all. Now, IoT, Internet of Things. Another promising new technology trend is IoT. Many things are now built with the Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning they can be connected to the internet and to each other. Hence, the Internet of Things, or IoT, is the future and has already enabled devices, home applications, cars, and much more to be connected to and exchange data over the internet. As consumers, we are already using and benefiting from IoT. We can lock our doors remotely if you forget, and when we leave for work, and preheat our ovens on our way home from work, and all while tracking our fitness on our Fitbits. Our businesses can also have much to gain now, and in the near future, the IoT can enable better safety, efficiency, and decision making for businesses as data is collected and analyzed. It can enable the predictive maintenance, speed up medical care, improve customer service, and offer benefits we haven't even yet imagined. And we are only in the beginning stages of this technology trend. Forecasts suggest that by 2030, around 50 billion of these IoT devices will be in use around the world, creating a massive web of interconnected devices spanning everything from smartphones to kitchen appliances. The global spending on the IoT is forecast to reach $1.1 trillion in 2022. New technologies such as 5G is expected to drive market growth in the coming years. And if you wish to step foot in this trending technology, you will have to learn about information security, AI, machine learning fundamentals, networking, hardware interfacing, data analytics, automation, understanding of embedded systems, and must have device and design knowledge. Now, 5G. The next technology trend that follows the IoT is 5G, where 3G and 4G technologies have enabled us to browse the internet, use data-driven services, increase the bandwidth for streaming on Spotify or YouTube, and so much more. 5G services are expected to revolutionize our lives by enabling services that rely on advanced technologies like AR and VR alongside cloud-based gaming services like Google Stadia, Nvidia, GeForce Now, and much more. It is expected to be used in factories, HD cameras that help improve safety and traffic management, smart grid control, and smart retail too. Just about every telecom company like Verizon, T-Mobile, Apple, Nokia Corp, Qualcomm are now working on creating 5G applications. 5G networks will cover 40% of the world by 2024, handling 25% of all mobile traffic data, making it an emerging technology trend you must watch out for and also save a spot in. 5G draws all of 4G's specs, comparison of key performance specs of 4G and 5G networks. Here are some of the data. Now, cybersecurity. Cybersecurity might not seem like an emerging technology given that it has been around for a while, but it is evolving just as other technologies are. That is in part because threats are constantly new. As proof of the strong need for cybersecurity professionals, the number of cybersecurity jobs is increasing 3 times faster than other tech jobs. According to Gartner, by 2025, 60% of organizations will use cybersecurity risk as a primary determinant in conducting third-party transactions and business engagements. You must note that however challenging the field is, it also offers lucrative 6-figure incomes, and roles can range from ethical hacker, malware analyst, security engineer, chief security officer and all, offering a promising career path for someone who wants to get into and stick with this evergreen trending technology.